What's the meaning of atmosphere? Atmosphere. Atmosphere.
Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Atmosphere refers to the layers of gases that surround a planet, such as the Earth. These gases are held in place by gravity and typically consist of nitrogen, oxygen, and trace amounts of other gases. The atmosphere plays a crucial role in regulating temperatures and supporting life on Earth, as it absorbs harmful radiation from the sun and provides the necessary gases for respiration. Additionally, the atmosphere is responsible for weather patterns and climate, as well as the stunning visual phenomena like auroras and sunsets that we observe in the sky.